The word plastic isn't taken from the synthetic substance, but from the Greek word plastikos, which means to form or mold, according to kidshealth.org. When someone thinks of the medical term plastic surgery, most think of Hollywood and the countless facelifts, nose jobs, breast implants, and many other frivolous procedures celebrities receive in order to better their physical appearance. This statement can give plastic surgery a bad rep of being a useless procedure only willing to be done by the wealthy, but this is not always the case. Plastic surgery is very widely available and beneficial to victims of severe deformities or injuries, as well as those in need of reconstruction to better their health. Plastic surgery is also an advantage in the mental health as well, as far as the improvement of the emotional state. Plastic surgery molds to skin into something new and more presentable, which creates benefits for many people who are in need of something new. Plastic surgery does reconstruct the skin, but in some ways this construction is needed in order to get the skin as closely as possible to the original state if it has been severely damaged. This damage can be caused by a number of factors, which are detailed in an online article titled "The Advantages and Disadvantages of Plastic Surgery." One of the first factors that someone could benefit from plastic surgery would be burn victims. They may have severe scarring on their skin and need plastic surgery to change the skin as closely as possible to before the burn took place. Another person that benefits from plastic surgery are gunshot victims. If a bullet shoots through an appendage and damages it severely, then plastic surgery is there to remold and shape this appendage back to its original form. Lastly, someone could benefit from plastic surgery if they suffer from a natural birth defect that is dominant and noticeable on their skin. This reconstruction of the skin can not only be a benefit to someone's physical appearance, but their internal health as well. Ruthie McCrary tells of the benefits of rhinoplasty, or a nose job, that is a type of plastic surgery. Many people who undergo rhinoplasty find that they get the added benefit of not snoring as much at all, as well as breathing easier after recovery is complete. Another example is one from my own life, when my little cousin suffered from being born with a folded over ear that made it to where she was unable to hear as a child. She received plastic surgery and the doctors reconstructed her ear, allowing her to be able to hear properly, thus improving her health. She was born with her ear like this, and then the doctors reconstructed it. They took cartilage from her ribs or down in her stomach area, and they were able to construct her a new ear, and then they put a hearing device behind her ear, allowing her to be able to hear. Plastic surgery really benefited her health in a big way, and now she's able to hear out of both her ears. Another example is if someone's cheek or part of their face were to collapse during old age, allowing the outside elements to be encountering the normally protected inner portion. This would call for the need of plastic surgery to fix this accident in order to get it back to normal health conditions. The internal health goes beyond being physically noticeable by showing emotional benefits as well. Donna Falvo talked about plastic surgery, stating that it plays an important part in rehabilitation, not only to enhance healing and establish or reestablish function, but also enhance individuals' self-image and minimize limitations. Plastic surgery allows the defect or problem someone is worrying about to be fixed or minimized, which allows them to let go the thought that there's something wrong with them, allowing more room within for confidence. When being interviewed in an article from Las Cruces Sun News, Dr. Scott Martin tells of how she can see an immediate change in the patient's perception of themselves after having plastic surgery, and she says it is always in a positive way. Plastic surgery has the large reputation of people who are in good health going under the knife for no real medical reason and risking their lives in the process. This procedure has more benefits than people realize, though, whether it be improving the physical appearance of someone after an accident or reconstructing a part of the body in order to make it properly functioning again, or even improving the emotional health of another. Plastic surgery has more benefits when it all comes down to it, making it more reasonable to act on than some other people think. Thank you.